My name is Mike, and it's my mission to show you just how easy it is to grow food. Today, I'm excited because it's the first time I've made compost tea. And it's been several days. We just got this pitcher at a yard sale over the weekend, and I guess we're about 4 or 5 days later. This thing has been sitting outside brewing. Now, I haven't stirred it up. I've kind of just let it sit. I've seen bubbles percolate, and you know, there's little areas in here where you can see the air pockets, and it's definitely getting very brown. And if we take this top off, see what it looks like inside. Now, this stinks. It smells really bad. It looks very swampy, and that's because it is swampy. Okay, so that's the whole point of this compost tea. Is highly beneficial bacteria and microorganisms that are brewing in this compost tea. And the reason I was excited and I did it this way was I've seen lots of videos where they make compost tea like this. We can strain it out of here, and then I have, look at this, I have my own compost tea gallon jug ready to go. Let's see how our compost tea came out. Yeah, look at that. It's kind of a yellowish brown, so we probably should dilute this a little bit. Wow, it stinks. It definitely smells very swampy, almost like a porta potty. That's it. All that broke down, and I've got some more ready to go in there to brew another batch. So now we're going to take our Mike's in the Garden compost tea, and since it's a lot easier to do it this way, look at that. Look at that. Fantastic. That's about a half gallon of excellent looking, smelling, I'm not going to taste it, compost tea. So now we're going to get a new batch of compost tea brewing. We harvested some carrots today, so we're taking the carrot top greens. I've got my water from my rain barrels, and here's our carrot tops. We're going to fill this bad boy up, let it sit for another few days, and hopefully get a full gallon of the compost tea. But now you can see just how easy this is for you to brew some amazing compost tea fertilizer for your garden beds. And it's that simple. You can get one of these at the dollar store. Put some food scraps in there, banana peels, really any food scraps, vegetables, some fruit. Let it sit for a few days, and you're on your way. Peace and love. We'll catch you on the next video.